Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fresh 2025 review of Tradovate, a popular cloud-based platform designed specifically for futures trading. Whether you're a day trader looking to level up or just curious about your options, I'll break down the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right tool for you. First things first, what is Tradovate? It's an intuitive platform that offers real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and seamless mobile access, making it a go-to for futures enthusiasts. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface. It's clean, customizable, and perfect for beginners who don't want to deal with overwhelming dashboards. Plus, Tradovate keeps costs low with competitive commission rates and no hidden fees, which means more profits in your pocket. The mobile app is another winner. It's responsive and allows you to monitor trades on the go, so you never miss an opportunity. But it's not all sunshine. On the downside, Tradovate is heavily focused on futures trading, so if you're into stocks, forex, or other assets, you might find it limiting compared to more versatile platforms. Another con is the subscription model. While it's affordable for active traders, casual users could end up paying more than expected. Additionally, some advanced features have a bit of a learning curve, which might frustrate newcomers. Overall, Tradovate shines for dedicated futures traders who prioritize speed and mobility, but it may not suit everyone. I'd recommend starting with their free trial to test it out yourself. If you're serious about trading, this could be a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.